Welcome to Unity Assets Hidden Gems Volume 2. In this segment, we uncover incredible packs that have been overlooked on the Unity Asset Store. Number 5. Metropia Sci-Fi City. Reminding us of a futuristic utopia, Metropia pulls off this art style very well. A great starting area for your next project, or a safe area away from the intense action. Number 4. Volumetric Crystal Materials Pack. Speaking of hidden gems, let's talk about some actual hidden gems. This powerful asset has an incredibly intense material that gives you the most up-to-date crystal visuals. Number 3. The aptly named Log Cabin. It's hard to believe that this highly detailed log cabin has been almost entirely missed. The perfect addition to any story-driven game, the publisher has put the utmost quality into every corner. Number 2. Modular Dark Dungeon Pack. Inspired by the game Dark Souls, this publisher decided to create a uniquely dark dungeon experience. Any game featuring underground exploration can make use of this eerie modular dungeon. And finally, number 1. Super Orcs Monster Pack. When it comes to animated characters, this truly is a super pack. Containing 16 animated orcs and sub-orcs, not to mention multiple styles for each model. Every one of these comes pre-animated for easy implementation into your project. Please visit devtoy.com for a link to the featured bonus asset. Thanks for watching and happy developing!